Namaste. This is again Sadhana with you with a very unique dish made out of macaroni. And you may not believe this is the earlier of my signature dishes which I generally started preparing it myself by trial and error method, mixing this and that, and I came to a end result which is a super yum dish. So shall we see the ingredients? So here I have about 1.5 cups of macaroni, which I have boiled in salted water with a little oil, and then I have strained hot water, and I've put it in cold water, and I've added a little oil, and I've just kept it separate. It looks like this. This is about 1.5 cups. About one whole big cup or 1.5 cups of sweet curds. It should not be sour. And then I have my salt, I have my little olive oil, I have my sugar, a little sugar, I have coriander leaves chopped, maybe a tablespoon, a little curry leaves, a little mustard seeds, a little jeera, I have cashew nuts, I have a few cashew nuts for decorating, for plating when we plate it, and I have about 4 green chilies. So now shall we start preparing this dish? You may be wondering what is this interesting dish. So we'll start. I've taken a small pan. I'm adding about a teaspoon of olive oil, and then I'll be adding my mustard seeds. I'll be adding my dearest friends actually. I'm adding my jeera. I add a little jeera for many of the things because it gives a nice flavor and it's good for the stomach. So I'll be adding my curry leaves. I'll be adding my cashews, and I'll be generally frying it a little till the cashew gets browned. As you can see, the cashews have browned a little. At this stage, add the green chilies which I have sliced. I have not chopped them. Now shall we make the dish? Add the curds. If you want, you can add more curds, and whisk it a little nicely so that it becomes a little creamy. Then add a little salt. You can taste and add some more if you want. Nicely. A little sugar just to give that little extra taste. So if the curds is little sour, this will take care of it, but preferably use fresh curds. Now add all the roasted mustard, jeera, and all the add, nicely mix. Now we'll add the coriander leaves, nicely mix. If need be, we'll add more curds later. And now for the important ingredient, which is the macaroni. Here we'll not use the whisker, we'll use the spoon. As you can see, maybe if we want, we can add a little more curds so that it'll be a little more creamy. I felt curds was a little less, so I'm adding a little more curds, whisking it side by side, because this dish has to be nicely with the curds. It should nicely mix with the curd. It should not be too dry. My God, see how it looks. This is the macaroni. You can say it's not raita actually, it's a meal. So instead of curd rice, you can eat this. If you want, you can add cucumber, You can add anything, pomegranate. You can add fruits also if you want. You can add anything. Today I've added just things. Those are all optional things which you can add. So this is my curd macaroni. This is another macaroni dish. I have about 1.5 cups of cooked macaroni in hot water with salt and oil, and then I've strained it in nicely, strained the water and nicely added the cold water, and then I've added a little oil, and it looks like this. And this is, I've soaked chana dal, groundnuts, and in the morning I have cooked the chana dal in salted water. See, I have put chana dal, I have put moong dal, I have my groundnuts, then I have my corn. There are 4 pulses, lentils, corn, groundnuts. So this is a mix of everything. I have cooked them. I have soaked chana dal, I have soaked groundnuts, I have cooked them in the morning, but it should be half cooked. It should not be overcooked. So parboiled you can say. And then I have about 1 cup of cucumber. I have about 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves chopped. I have about 2-3 green chilies which I'll be slicing. I have about half lemon juice. I have about 2 teaspoons of finely chopped carrot. I have my salt. So these are the ingredients for the next. This is a wholesome meal. Adding my macaroni first. Then I'll be adding these whole proteins, lovely proteins, the 2 dals, groundnuts. You can add even sprouted moong, sprouted pulses also, but they all should be parboiled. And then I'll be adding my cucumber. I'll be adding a little bit of carrot. You can add tomatoes also, it's optional. I didn't add today. And then you can add the chopped dhania leaves, that is the coriander leaves, and the lime juice. And then I'll be adding salt. You can add for flavor, you can add a little kala namak. Maybe I will add today. I didn't show it in my ingredients, but I'll be showing it now. A little, so it will give a nice flavor. Then I'll cut this chilies and I'll be adding it. As I mentioned, I had not kept kala namak in the ingredients, black salt. I thought when I was making this, I suddenly got an idea in my brain. So I took it and I'm adding the kala namak. And here you are, your colorful macaroni meal, high protein macaroni meal is ready. You have all these ingredients in your fridge or freezer. You can just make it within 5 minutes. Superb. You see? And this also you can add apples, you can add grapes, you can add cashews, badam, walnut, anything. You can add anything and make it more protein rich. This is my macaroni, high protein macaroni meal. So you saw, this is a very super yum dishes invented by me. This curd macaroni I had prepared, I think 15 years back. I think so. When I first wanted to try it out. The second macaroni, I think about 8-10 years back. So people like it. So whenever I call people at home, I make these two. They enjoy it very much. So shall we taste? I'll just taste a little. It's yum. And this high protein is super yum. Too good. So please go ahead and prepare it. So you saw the two dishes which I made with macaroni. You can make it with the penne macaroni or the spaghetti or whatever, whichever you like. Here, I would like to mention this. You can give it to children also. You can add apples, you can add bananas, you can add grapes, green apples, the fruits what you like. And for the high protein meal, you can add sprouted pulses, and you can add a whole lot of badam, almonds, cashew, walnuts, anything, pista, and you can make it like a rich, protein rich, which will give you, energize you for the whole day. And the second one, for you to cool your system on a particular day when you're very fatigued, you don't feel like doing anything, you just take this macaroni, add curds, add whatever. For that also, you can add green apples, you can add pomegranate seeds, you can add raisins, you can add grapes, and you can add a whole lot of dry fruits. And when you're fatigued, it will really cool your system. So please go ahead, try this out. You'll really enjoy it. And one dish you just make and just gobble it up. Okay? So thank you.